Hello friends, welcome to our today's lecture. Our today's lecture will be focusing on bearer establishment flow where the A interface is based on the TDM. In our earlier lectures, we have been referring to this lecture that in the later lectures we will be having a detailed look how a bearer establishment actually takes place. So in this lecture, we will be focusing on the scenario where the A interface is based on TDM. So let's have a look. In this case, we will be focusing where the BSC and media gateway are connected via the TDM interface. The interworking between MSC and BSC is via media gateway and it supports the standard protocols of BSS AP and BSS MAP, while between MSC and media gateway, it will be H248 networking that will be supporting the M3UA adaptation layer. So let's have a look on the signaling flow. In case of bearer establishment involving the TDM, the MSC sends an add request to the media gateway. The purpose of the add request is basically to reserve the resources on the media gateway. And once the media gateway reserves the necessary resources for the call setup, it replies back to the MSC with the add reply message. Once the MSC receives the add reply message and an assurance is received that the media gateway has reserved the necessary resources for subsequent call setup, the MSC sends an assignment request message to the BSC. Of course, this interworking between MSC and BSC is via the media gateway. The assignment request message, the purpose of basically assignment request message is to reserve the resources on the air interface, for which the BSC subsequently sends a command of radio bearer setup to the BTS and up to the MS, which in turn, once the radio resources are reserved, replies back with a radio bearer setup complete message to the BSC, and ultimately the BSC sends an assignment complete message to the MSC indicating the establishment of the bearer on the A interface, where the A interface is based on the TDM. So let's have a brief look on the messages that we have just discussed. The add request message is used to add a termination to a context. As I mentioned earlier, this message is basically sent by the MSC to the media gateway to reserve the resources. So the initial message that is sent by the MSC to the media gateway does not have any context, because once the media gateway replies to the MSC, then it adds a context which basically is used in the subsequent messages. So in the initial message, the context ID is set to this default value, and while in the subsequent messages of add reply message, the media gateway basically allocates a specific context ID, which in the later messages is basically being referred to. So in the add reply message, basically media gateway reserves the resources and are provided to the MSC. And in case of assignment request message, that is basically sent to the BSC by the MSC. This is basically a request message to reserve the resources on the air interface. On this, the significant information elements that are sent by the MSC include the channel type and the circuit identity code. We are already aware that in case of TDM interface, all the TDM resources between the BSC and the MSC are referred through a circuit identity code. So in this case, the MSC basically specifies to the BSC that on which circuit identification code, which is generally referred to as KIC, this call should be established. Also, it gives the BSC the options of the air interface codecs as well. So once the BSC completes the assignment of the bearer on the air interface, then it replies back the assignment complete message to the MSC and provides the necessary information to the MSC for call setup. Hope this information has been useful for you, and in the subsequent lectures we will also be looking into the IP based interface and other scenarios as well, based on which you will be able to have a deep look into all kind of call flows. Thank you very much.